Jim, where's your energy?
I'm tightening my hat so I can keep somewhat dry. You ready?
You know, it's moments like this where I second guess myself. Welcome back to Pursuit for Adventure. Another fun, nice start to this beautiful trip. As you can see here, Jen is highly motivated. Get this moving. Anyway, we're off. Oh, a little spot of rain there. Have fun, Jen?
You dry?
Yeah. Oh, we're drifting. Gotta get back at it. Well, we made it to this channel. Maybe a little bit windy about my iPhone here because everything is super wet. Anyway, we're going to try for 2 more hours, so about another 8 kilometers down the West Channel. There's supposed to be a sandy beach. It looks like the sun might come out, maybe.
I hope so. Help dry this off.
Anyway, the whole boat, I spent about 20 minutes bailing the boat here. I got most of the water out, but still quite a bit. Beauty of the spot.
Hey everybody. Okay, so we're just getting settled into our site. As you know, it's poured most of the day, so we didn't have much time to do a lot of filming. We decided it'd be probably best for us to go ahead and get our site put together before hauling out the camera. So hopefully it won't rain too much and it'll be safe for all the gear. So Rob's just making us dinner and I think we're pretty much set up now. And yeah, so it's not the most ideal site. I'm not sure what the number is, but if you want to know, leave it in the comments below and we'll figure out what site we're at. It's quite rocky and rooty, I guess you could say. But we do have like quite the view after all of that rainfall. I'll show you. Beautiful. Hopefully the evening stays nice. The canoe is down this hill. I'm not going to go down there. It's too hard on the ankles to go up and down. It's pretty steep and really rocky. So, anywho, yeah. So we're going to have dinner and maybe a fire. There's not much else going to go on tonight. We're just going to relax.
Well, it's late and kind of tired, so I just had making a quick one here. So what we have here is we have this is dehydrated pasta. Yes, you cook it and then you dry it out again, but all it takes to reconstitute is just hot water in about 5 minutes. Okay, and then life hack: put it in the bag, poke little holes, and you can strain with it. You make your Alfredo sauce. It won't go through the small holes, so you pour it all in one bag and mix it up. I got the stuff from the bulk barn, so it's bulk barn Alfredo and powdered milk, and I have some dehydrated chanterelle mushrooms I'm stewing up, and then some parm to go over top of it. Notice it's really a quick, fast meal, but when you're hungry out here, yeah, you just want food.
Getting some birch bark to start the fire. This stuff will almost burn if it's soaking wet. And this is obviously a fallen tree, or actually it looks like it's been taken down by a beaver nearby. Hear it crackle?
Yep.
get it underneath without hurting myself. Oh, I put it out. It's still a bit damp though. That should work, eh? It's pretty damp. You try. I'm starting to get it now. There. Come on, burn, baby, burn. Get rid of some of the mosquitoes.
Wood is terrible.
Well, and also it poured all day today.
Yeah.
There you go. Nice. I think you're right though, it's not going to last very long.
Nope. No wood around here.
We're being eaten alive, so it's time to pack up and climb in the tent. So we're going to say goodnight for tonight, and we will see you either tomorrow or on the next video. Good night. Good morning. Rob and I are just out of the tent. We're breaking camp now, so we can get our breakfast and head back in the canoe and get as far along as we can for the day. Rob's making some breakfast. We're having dehydrated bacon again. It's really good. A couple eggs. What else? You got potatoes. Hey?
Dehydrating it.
Yes, and Rob is rehydrating some of his homemade dehydrated potatoes. And we've got the coffee. The coffee's on. The water's trying to boil now. And that's going to be breakfast. How are the potatoes coming?
Come on.
Good. Coffee?
Sure.
There you go, dear. Enjoy. Yep, still hot.
Strong.
That was 4 scoops.
That's good.
Good enough, eh?
Don't like watery coffee.
No, I don't like it either. Perfect. Finally got the fire going this morning. It must have dried out a little bit.
Still not great.
No, it took a bit. Took it a bit of coaxing to get that going. Our morning view from the campsite. Hopefully today's will be just as pretty, and we'll see the stars tonight. It's like having your own little island all to yourself. So yesterday we left here at Hartley Bay Marina, and we traveled down here. I'm trying to see. I think we came through here, eh? The small islands?
Yes, we followed it close to the small islands.
Yeah. Came down and around here and made our way slowly all the way down to site 687. Today, this morning, hopefully before 9, we'll leave 687, and we figure we'll travel somewhere between 15 and 20 kilometers today. We're doing the Delta, and we want to be back at home. Oops, I got this upside down. By Friday, so we're limited on time, but we'll come through here. And we're pretty sure we're going to do the old Voyager channel. And at least get to this point here, but probably make our way down in here. And there's some rapids at some point.
We're going to stop by Lover's Lane first.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
So, and there's a couple rapids and at least one portage today. It looks like it's only about 10 meters long, and it's due to falls. So that'll be interesting to see. I don't know if it's that. I got another